Crypto market suffers 2% drop as Bitcoin tumbles and $1.7 billion liquidations mount. Bitcoin. Crypto market. Sentiment says more traders are betting on Bitcoin's decline, with a growing negative narrative spreading across social media. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The crypto market lost altitude on Tuesday, slipping 2% to about $3.9 trillion as Bitcoin fell toward $112,000 and erased the week's gains, with roughly $1.7 billion in liquidations accelerating the sell-off as leveraged positions unwound. Bitcoin was last down about 1.8% near $112,561, while Ethereum fell 3.3% to $41,197. BNB dropped 4% to $991.30, and Solana slid 6.2% to $219.03. In the past 24 hours, about $1.7 billion of mostly long positions were wiped out. The largest long liquidation event this year, Coinglass said. Macro boost meets micro headwinds, FTX cash returns and sentiment sours. Flows into crypto funds remained a bright spot last week. Spot Ethereum ETFs recorded $556 million in net inflows, lifting total net assets to $29.6 billion, according to Soso Value. Over the same period, spot Bitcoin ETFs attracted $886.6 million, taking total net assets to $152.31 billion. Macro signals set the stage. The Federal Reserve cut rates by 25 basis points last week to a target range of 4.00% to 4.25%, and signaled 2 more possible cuts this year. That first move initially buoyed altcoins, which rallied into the weekend. Momentum faded on Monday. Sentiment cooled shortly after the defunct crypto exchange FTX said it will begin its third distribution on September 30th, returning about $1.6 billion to holders of allowed claims as part of its Chapter 11 process. Social gauges turned more cautious. Analysts at Sentiment noted on Sunday that more traders are now betting that the price of Bitcoin will go down, as opposed to betting that Bitcoin's price will go up, and said they were seeing a much more negative narrative forming across social media. Liquidation spike signals possible local low as funding turns negative. Positioning also shifted. 10x Research said that sharp liquidation spikes often mark local lows and can raise the odds of a rebound, a view supported by negative funding rates that show faster traders are net short. The note urged traders to weigh positioning, technical signals, and how the market is priced into October before buying dips. Industry executives framed the sell-off as a leverage flush rather than a fundamental break. Maya Vujanovic, CEO and co-founder of digital assets at FG Nexus, said, roughly $1.7 billion in liquidations reflects excess leverage, not failing fundamentals. Overheated funding post-Fed left traders exposed. Once Bitcoin rolled over, forced unwinds hit ETH and altbooks hard. But history shows that these leverage washes often mark a healthier base. With spot demand, ETF flows, and stablecoin rails intact, we're more likely heading into consolidation than capitulation, and that typically precedes the next sustained leg higher. She added. Liquidations drive margin call avalanche. Traders see healthy reset. Traders echoed that view on market structure. Doug Culkit, initial contributor to Fogo, said, this is crypto's version of a margin call avalanche. When Bitcoin sneezes, the entire market catches leverage flu. $1.7 billion in liquidations isn't fundamentals breaking. It's over-levered traders getting rinsed. Leverage is always highest at the top, and when prices roll over, the cascade feeds on itself. These flushes are brutal, but they're also healthy. They reset leverage, shake out weak hands, and clear the runway for the next leg. If you've been around crypto long enough, then you already know the cold hard truth. Liquidations are the feature, not the bug, he said. Others pointed to Bitcoin's relative resilience. Mike Maloney, CEO at Insit, said, the $1 billion plus liquidation wave was driven by long liquidations. the exuberance following an ADH, the anemic Fed cut, and a mismatch of reporting and risk creates a breakdown. The real capture here is that BTC is still the king of crypto markets. Despite weathering the worst liquidation, BTC decline and volatility are a fraction of other assets. This suggests to me that the market will bounce up strongly on the back of BTC's liquidity. As September draws to a close, traders are watching funding, ETF flows, and the pace of redemptions from bankruptcy estates. For now, the market has reset leverage and attention turns to whether dip buyers step in ahead of October. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Picoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 22, 2025 Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. Lord Miles. Polymarket chaos over claim YouTuber died during 40-day fast. Ethereum price prediction. Billion-dollar firm BlackRock pumps $500 million into ETH, $10,000 just weeks away. Industry talk. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? 5 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Press releases. XRP, the new Dogecoin competitor merging the stability of XRP with the playfulness of the meme world. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Insane volume plus falling wedge equals SHIB's most explosive setup in years. 3 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 8 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 11 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 11 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 11 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.